So CTO claiming for season 2 has started, and this is how you get to claim your tokens. I'm going to show you how to do that in this video. First of all, you are going to be needing a VPN, and for this video I am using Secure VPN, just as you can see on my screen here. You can download any VPN that works. Then you open up your BitGet wallet. Just as you did in the season 1 claiming, make sure you import your wallet address. The wallet address that you connected on your Satoshi app is what you are going to be importing into your BitGet. This method should normally work in MetaMask, but it has issues there sometimes. So you import your wallet address from there into your BitGet wallet. Now, once you're on this page and the wallet is imported, you go to this your wallet section on the app. And if I should scroll up right now, you can see my CTO tokens is displaying on my screen, and I currently have 3,851. This is what I claimed in the season 1. This time around, we are claiming for season 2. Now, before you get to claim, you go to the discover section. Once you get to that page, you are going to be needing the CTO claim link. If you want this link, I'll leave a link in the description box of this video where you can get it. But basically, this is the link on my screen here. So once you paste it in that browser, you wait and allow it to load up. Sometimes it can take time, sometimes you might face error, or you simply have to do is to reload again. And if you're even using a good VPN, you shouldn't have any issue. Once you're on this page, next thing you want to do is to connect your wallet if it is not connected automatically already. And you simply have to click on that connect wallet. Since I am using BitGet, I'm going to be selecting BitGet from this screen here. Now it is telling me connection denied. Let me try again. And it's not working, so I'll go ahead and exit from this page. All right, I exited, and then you can see automatically the wallet is connected. I don't know what went wrong there, but then my wallet is now connected. Then you simply click on this choose reach. So I don't know why they are doing all these things like this, but this whole step is confusing. Basically, look at, they say I'm eligible for an airdrop of 7,705 CTU tokens. Apparently, that is more than what I was even able to claim in my season 1. But then, what do? We simply claim. On this page here, you can see there are 3 options here. I think I'm seeing this 240 whale, blah blah blah. I don't really understand what that is, because what I came here to do is to claim. So let me click on this choose reach and see what happens on this screen. So I'm going to be choosing on this choose reach here. Okay, they say insufficient core balance. I almost forgot, guys. Before you do this, you need to deposit core to your wallet, and apparently I do not have any core. So I'm going to deposit 0.5 core into this my wallet, and then I'll now go ahead to continue this my claiming. So I simply have to do is go back to this wallet section, and then you scroll down and check. Look at that is your core. So you click to open that core, and then I'm going to be clicking on receive to copy my core wallet address. Once I copy it, I'll now go ahead and send core. If you do not have core, you can purchase from any exchange of your choice. You can use Bybit or you can use BitGet, or preferably you can buy from a trusted vendor of your choice. You can join my Telegram channel with the link in the description box of this video. There is my contact to WhatsApp there, so you can chat me up if you need to purchase your core from me directly. As for me, I have deposited my core already, so I open up my BitGet again, go to that wallet section, and then look at my core. The balance is not reflecting yet, so I'll click to open it up. I don't know why this thing keeps saying error. Now you can see automatically my 0.5 core has been deposited, and that is basically it. Since I now have core deposited, the next thing is to head back into that discover section. Then using the search bar, I'm going to paste in that link already. Because I have the link on my screen, so I don't really think I'll be pasting it. It's going to be there automatically. But if you do not have the link, like I said, the description box of this video, you can get the link from there. So we'll allow the page to load up just as we did at the initial. This time around, they will not be asking me to connect my wallet address, because I've connected my address already, unless if there is some issue of some sort. Just like I said, you can see my wallet is boldly displaying on the screen. Now I'll simply click on this choose reach option again, so that it's going to redirect me to that page where we need to claim my 7,705 CTO. All right, so here is the page right now, and I don't know what this button is for, but I'm just toggling it. I'm just toggling it to the right, to the left, you can see, and as I keep toggling it, this way balance and this thing keeps increasing. They are still telling me insufficient core balance. So I think why they are now telling me insufficient core balance again is because I toggled this button up there. I think that button is for me to be able to claim, I think extra, is it 480, or I don't really understand what that, but what I'm on this page for is just to claim my 7,705 CTO. I'm not interested in any of this, their bonus. So I'm going to go ahead and toggle this down to 0. Now that I have toggled it to 0, you can see only my 7,705 CTO is displaying as white. See? So as I bring it down, only that one. So it shows that I can now claim only my 7,705 CTO. So the next thing to do is to just simply click on this choose rich option. But if I scroll up, you can see my core balance is displayed 0.53 core and my CTO 3000. Now on this next page that displays, I'm going to be selecting this first option, this NGAMI claim CTO. This second one, I think if I select that, they'll be charging me more gas fee. So after selecting the first option, it brings out this signature option whereby I have to, sign contract and whatever. Just basically click on that signature and put in your code. And as you can see on my screen here, there is a sign message. I simply click on it and you can see message signed. And that is basically how you do it. Now, let me wait and see what is going on this page. And okay, so just watch out. All right, they say success, claim success, token will be in your wallet within 10 minutes. In 10 minutes, refresh, blah, blah, blah. Now, I can choose to click on this X to share, what I just did now to my Twitter handle, but I will not be doing that. Now, my tokens should arrive automatically in my wallet, but if you do your own and it did not arrive, like they've said, it will arrive within 10 minutes. So you don't have to get it immediately in case you check and you can't find it. So the next thing I'll do now is to head back into my main wallet page. Okay, let me first click to check other address first. So after clicking on it, it's still taking me back to this starting point. So there is no use. What I'll now do now is to look at this button at the top, that X button there. You click on it to exit from this page, and then I'm now on my main wallet page. And let me click on later, then head back, and I'll be going into my wallet section. Look at it, is the last option at the bottom right. Then you scroll up now to see if my CTO has been deposited. So I am scrolling up now to look for my CTO, and yes, I found it. So you can see this is my CTO here. Clicking to open it, you can see my balance is now 11,556. So for all of you that has been disturbing me so far, how do I claim my CTOs into this, that? This is the simple way to claim it. So go and claim your own right now. And if you're on my channel for the first time, click the plus icon, subscribe to this channel, turn on the bell icon to get notifications. And if you still face any issues at all, drop them in the comment section so that I'll be able to make a video on it.